Fire TV slowing you down? You can make it run faster by updating your device and all your apps. To update your Fire TV device, press the Home button on your remote. And then go to Settings. You'll find this button with a gear icon on the far right side of the home screen menu bar. Then select My Fire TV and go to About. Finally, select Check for Updates and Install Update. Then wait for your Fire TV to update. It might take a few minutes, and your device might need to restart. But don't unplug your device or press any buttons on your Fire TV remote until the update is complete. To update the apps on your Fire TV, press the Home button on your remote and go to Applications. This is the icon with 3 squares and a plus sign. You'll find it on the far right side of the home screen menu bar, next to Settings. Just make sure to press the Select button on your remote. This will show you a full list of all the apps installed on your Fire TV device. Then, highlight an app and press the 3-line Menu button on your remote. Next, select More Info, and you'll be brought to the app page. If an update is available, select Update. If you don't see this icon, it means your app is already up to date. Finally, select Update to confirm. You can also update an app by highlighting it anywhere on your Fire TV. Then, press the 3-line button on your remote, go to More Info, and select Update. When you're done, it's a good idea to restart your Fire TV by going to Settings, My Fire TV, and Restart. If these steps helped, please leave a like and subscribe for more easy how-to videos.